Why is bringing fiber to multi-dwelling units hard? Imagine trying to thread a delicate glass straw through a maze of old pipes and tight spaces. That's similar to what installing fiber optic cables into multi-dwelling units involves. These buildings, like apartments or condominiums, often have complex, crowded infrastructure that makes fiber deployment tricky. First, fiber optic cables need careful handling and special equipment. Unlike copper cables, they are fragile and requiring precise installation. Many older buildings built before the year 2000 have narrow or congested pathways like utility closets, riser shafts, or basements packed with existing wiring. Finding a clear route for fiber in these spaces can take time and increase costs. Sometimes, it's necessary to drill through walls or floors, which adds to the complexity. Second, routing fiber inside the building is a big challenge. It has to go vertically through shafts or conduits and then branch out horizontally into each apartment or unit. Vertical pathways are often crowded or poorly documented, so installers need to do detailed surveys first. Horizontal runs must be hidden in walls or ceilings to keep the building looking nice. This often means working around existing structures and aesthetics, which can slow things down. Third, coordinating with many different people makes the process even more complicated. Property managers, tenants, building owners, and construction teams all have their own schedules and concerns. Property managers might delay approvals to avoid disturbing tenants. Installers must carefully plan work times to minimize inconvenience, which can stretch out the project. Fourth, future growth is a key factor. Internet providers want to make sure the network can handle more bandwidth as demand increases. They need to choose cabling and infrastructure that can be upgraded easily later. This means selecting the right type of fiber cables and planning for potential expansions without tearing down walls again. All these factors combine to make bringing fiber to multi-dwelling units a tough task. The physical constraints of the building, limited space, complex routing, stakeholder coordination, and future needs all add layers of difficulty. That's why deploying fiber in these buildings takes more time and money than in single-family homes or new constructions. Knowing these challenges helps in planning better last-mile connectivity solutions that bring fast, reliable fiber internet to residents living in multi-unit buildings.